As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the ChuMaste 3-burner and the Blackstone 17 inches tabletop grill. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The ChuMaste grill is definitely bigger, right? It's got a 464.8 square inch cooking area.
Exactly. And it's a full-size grill with 3 burners pushing out 30,000 BTUs. The Blackstone is only 267 square inches with a single, albeit stainless steel, H-burner at 12,500 BTUs.
So the ChuMaste is better for bigger cookouts?
Absolutely. Plus, it has foldable side tables for prep space and wheels for moving it around. It's more of a backyard grill.
Okay, but the Blackstone is way more portable, isn't it? Only 17.5 pounds compared to the ChuMaste's almost 52 pounds.
True. The Blackstone is designed to be a tabletop grill, so it's much smaller and lighter. Perfect for camping or tailgating. And it's cheaper at $109.99 compared to ChuMaste's $168.99.
Price is definitely a factor. What about ease of use?
The Blackstone has a piezo ignition, which is pretty convenient. The ChuMaste doesn't specify the ignition type, so I'm not sure. Both are propane, though.
What about cleaning? That's always a pain.
The ChuMaste mentions detachable oil collection cups, which sounds helpful. The Blackstone boasts a patented rear grease management system, which reviewers seem to love.
Tough call. The ChuMaste is bigger and more powerful. But the Blackstone is cheaper, more portable, and the reviews are better. 4.7 stars versus 4.1. Plus, it's an Amazon's Choice product.
Yeah, it really depends on what you need it for. Big family BBQs, ChuMaste. Quick camping trips or small meals, Blackstone.
I think, for my small balcony, the Blackstone probably makes more sense. Easier to store, too.
Good point. And it's ready to go basically out of the box, no assembly required. The ChuMaste needs some assembly.
All right, Blackstone it is. Thanks for the comparison.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.